So check it out. Been going through all my locomotives I haven't run in a while, and I got out this beast. This was made in 1980. It's a Lionel Berkshire. It's the first one of the MPC era. And it's got magne-traction. I just replaced one of the jewels that were missing on the marker light up front. Also, this doesn't have the original board in it, which is kind of sad because the one that's in it doesn't work properly. It's wired not to any actuator wheel, but it's wired, and I guess it takes a signal from the armature because it's wired there, and also I think to the E unit. So we're going to take it for a spin anyway. I do have some mega steam down a stack, and I'm thinking that because the actuator wheel is on the tender wheel, that I might be able to take an older soundless steam whistle board and wire that into it. Maybe later on when I find one, or I might be able to find an original Union Pacific tender and wire it correctly. Anyway, take a look. We'll take it for a spin. Once it gets warmed up, the board seems to work a lot better. Doesn't have the best smoke unit in the world, but still a really nice, powerful engine. Runs really smooth. Then we'll pick up the camera and we'll follow it around a little bit. And we'll set the camera back down gently, hopefully. Alright, still a pretty cool locomotive. I'm glad I have it. As I said, I'll try to get the original equipment, or either that or wire in an older board, or I might even find maybe one of the newer tenders and be able to switch it out, one with rail sounds. So thanks again for watching. God bless, never forget, Jesus is Lord.